Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm here with a silk press video going step by step. And I first want to give a little backstory on her hair. She is a silk out client. She's been wearing her hair up. She's been silking it at home. She's been to different salons, but it's been a while because she couldn't get in with me. And she also had a red color on her hair, but she put a black over it. And so for the most part, her hair is still healthy. She has really strong hair. So that's that. So let's get started. So you can see she has really thick hair. I shampooed her with a deep cleansing shampoo followed by a hydrating shampoo, and then I did a strengthening and moisturizing conditioner and put her under the steamer to help seal the cuticle down, so that we get a really shiny, smooth finish, that her cuticle is smooth, reflects light, because that's what happens when the cuticle is smooth. And so what I'm doing now is taking my blow dryer and using a lot of tension with my paddle brush to make sure I get enough stretch and dry the hair straight as possible. So using tension and a dryer at the same time gives you a really smooth finish before you even have to flat iron the hair. And so that is really important and really controls the setting, really controls the hair, because you don't have to go in with so much heat and manipulating it with so much heat from the flat iron. And so I'm doing that until I get it as smooth as possible. And the hair is very light. The products I use are very light on the hair. So make sure you use something that's not going to leave the hair greasy. But you definitely want to work on a clean surface. So you want to blow dry each section the same way, getting as much tension. And I use a tension method and a leafing method where I kind of take it into the hair and pull it back out. You might catch it. If I see it, I'll let you know. May not be in this video, but I do it sometimes when I just feel like I need more tension, and it really helps give me the finish that I want. So as you can see, I finished up the blow drying process, and now I'm going to take diagonal 1/4 inch sections to flat iron her hair. The back looks a little bigger. That's because, you know, the little short hairs in the back. But other than that, I just want to take like 1/4 inch diagonal sections, and the diagonal helps me get every part of that section versus just straight across horizontal line, because the head is curved. And so just going flat ironing like straight across it could work. You just have to take smaller sections. So not knocking it, that's just how I do it. And I'm just going through with one pass and moving on to the next, getting that hair really smooth, and it's looking good already. My partings are straighter now, just because we're at the front of the head. It's less of a curve. I'm still splitting the sections pretty small, but yeah, just wanted to come in and let you know why I went to horizontal sections. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Leave any comments, questions below. Hit that notification bell so you can see when I post a new video, and also make sure you are following my Instagram, because there you will see behind the scenes and some extra tips and tricks with hair. So look forward to seeing you next time.